What's the meaning of current affairs? Current affairs. Current affairs.
Current affairs. Current affairs. Current affairs refer to the ongoing events and situations in society, politics, economy, and other areas that impact people's lives. These can include news stories, political developments, social issues, economic trends, and cultural changes happening around the world. Keeping up with current affairs is important for staying informed and engaged with the world around us, and it helps us make informed decisions about our lives and our communities. Overall, staying updated on current affairs is crucial for actively participating in society and being a well-informed citizen.